Hello, Chasco families. This is Mrs. Boylan, your child's principal, calling to welcome you back to the 21-22 school year. Our mission at Chasco Elementary School is that together we will provide a safe environment where all students will learn at high levels each and every day. We are grounded in this mission as we make decisions and begin our school day before your child walks on campus. This year's theme is Shine Bright. We wanted to start with a Shine Bright theme to keep in mind that every child can shine bright in any way here at Chasco Elementary School. Our first day of school is Tuesday, August 10th, starting at 9:30 a.m. and our day ends at 3:50 p.m. We ask you to stay connected with us. There are many ways to stay connected. Our school website will have updated information. Our Facebook page will share photos and information while your child is at school, and we will have these weekly emails or phone calls or recordings like this. We also ask that you check your child's backpack. We still send home flyers to provide you with information or to gather some input from you. Also, reach out to your child's teacher during this first week of school to connect to their class dojo and also obtain their email. This way you can have close connection directly with your child's teacher. Another way to get connected school-wide is to join our school advisory council or our parent-teacher organization. Just give us a call at school and we will help you to connect with either of those teams. How can you help? To start the school year, it's important to have a consistent bedtime routine so your child's brain is ready to learn each and every day. We will not give a lot of homework at Chasco, but we do ask that you read for at least 30 minutes each night. You can read with your child can read on his or her own, or you can take turns reading. Whatever it is, please engage in reading for 30 minutes or ensure your child is engaged in reading for 30 minutes each night. Also, talk regularly with your child about his or her progress and goals. Your child's teacher will be goal setting with your child, so talk to your child about that and ask them how close they are to reaching their goals. Our procedures this year are going to be ever-changing due to the rise in the COVID-19 positive cases across our state. Our guidelines will be reviewed weekly, so that's why it's even more important that you stay connected on our website and our Facebook page. Please start the year by reporting positive cases. You can call our school or email myself or our assistant principal, Mr. Tonchich, if your child or someone in your household is test positive for COVID-19. Masks are optional but recommended, and we ask that every staff and student begin each day with the screener. Our COVID-19 screener is on our Chasco website, and it just gives a checklist of things to think about or to see if your child has any symptoms that are COVID-19-like symptoms before they come to school each day. We will continue our cleaning protocols and encourage hand washing regularly. You can help us by also asking your child to wash their hands regularly. We've provided additional sanitation stations and soap across our campus. Our school opens with supervision at 9:20. Please do not come on campus before 9:20 each day. At 9:20, we will open bus doors and our front gate, and during that first week of school, you will be able to walk your child to class. Dismissal will be at 3:50 each day. Please expect delays, both in our car loop and at your child's bus stop, for at least those first 2 weeks of school. Breakfast and lunch is free for all. However, we do ask that every family complete the free and reduced lunch application on our school and district website. We give a bus to all students on Chasco due to our location being on a busy ridge road. So please, if you'd like your child to ride a bus, call us and we will get your child on a bus for this school year. If you're using the car loop, that's our other option for coming to school and picking up each day. Our car loop has 10 poles. We ask that the first car pull up to pole number 1. We will not permit any parents to walk up and get their child from the car loop. We do not have the supervision to ensure that we can ID and get your child released safely. So please use our car loop, stay in your car, and we promise our goal is the same as yours, to get every child home quickly each and every school day. Visitors, volunteers, and parent events are on hold at the moment due to the rise in COVID-19 cases. We will let you know when that will be allowed. We're still allowing that first week of school that you could walk your child to class, but after that, we are putting visitors and volunteers on hold, at least for the first month of school. We can't wait to see our cubs on Tuesday, and our Cubs Code is something that we will model and teach our students each and every day. We want our students to leave Chasco Elementary with a can-do attitude, understanding how to use respect and to be responsible, and finally, to use safety always. Those are the characteristics and the code that we live by, and we appreciate your support by reminding your child about our Cubs Code each and every day. Connecting with you is going to make us a great community of learners. We want to connect with you, even if it is virtually to start the year. Please, Mr. Tonsich and I are available by email, phone call. Reach out to us with any concerns or celebrations that you want to share with us so we could celebrate the hard work that our staff does each and every day. We appreciate your partnership and we value your partnership. So please stay connected with us. We look forward to Tuesday. We look forward to seeing all of our Cubs shine bright because together we are awesome.